So bisita mi sa iyang mama ug papa. Kay wa sila namo kit pag abot na mo gikan Pilipinas. So mag-park sa akong kuan, hinigugma sa kasing-kasing. Charot. Ah. Hello.
Hello.
Where are you going?
I'm going to see Mummy and Daddy.
I'm in today. The door is open.
Oh, it's good. Oh, you're just closing the things.
Come on in.
Oh, we're just there with the carpet.
That's Daddy.
Yes,
So you've got so wine, dessert.
chicken,
Oh, we have a Japanese wine as
turtle
well.
soup for dessert. Oh, that's good. That was his idea. What good
Chicken and dessert.
idea. So you get to find somewhere for that in the fridge.
So, dili mi mag-dinner.
It's not with that.
What's that? Dara, pakita siya mga
Yes, it's really
kuan niya.
nice hotel. It's a big hotel. It was big.
Yeah.
It was big.
So we have a soup to start with.
Chicken noodle soup.
Yeah, chicken
Make
noodle
you feel
soup
at
and
home.
wine.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Do you want some wine?
Yes, please. Okay, bread and soup. This is our dinner. Chicken. Chicken.
Oh, pepper.
Pepper.
Where's your?
You couldn't get in.
Yeah.
It was stretched out because it was cold and the ladies.
Busy na po ka siya, oh.
That's right, yes.
Oh, how nice.
So is it tied in?
Tides. Is that halfway in, isn't it? Half
Yeah.
in, half
I'm getting the
out.
impression sea level's affecting that area. Because look at that, there's trees growing in the water.
So manguli na mi, di mi kauli kay ang mama niya perting tabian na di mahunong, grabe.
It would be nothing
Yeah.
there. So we
I
just,
don't need anything.
but we got newer stuff. Just we don't
Ay,
drink.
masanasad ni ay. Hala.
No,
Sige,
that's all
ang
right.
bina amon. Imon ko na.
Chateauroun.
Oh,
wait.
coats the roan.
Oo, nice. Okay.
Oh, a nice coats the roan. Okay, we'll have that.
Ah, tawa.
Don't drink.
Hala, ang binatanan ako ng inmon.
It's like up.
Ipabaunan pa mi grade wine. So ulit na mi.
9 o'clock at night to charge it. You get free, you get half price coffee.
Oh
Yung mga puti, di gini mafunong. Anyway, that's it guys. Bye.
£10. Oh, 7.
Bye.
Righto.
Still nice and clean.